Hey YouTube, we have to take care of this mess and that mess. We're not doing anything too fancy with our cable management. Good old surge protector, scotch tape, double-sided tape, and this Ikea Signum under desk cable management, wire management basket. Let's get it installed. Got both sides installed. Pretty straightforward with a couple of fasteners with the correct pilot drill bit. I went a little aggressive on my first two. So there's a couple of holes on my side. Definitely don't have tequila doing this. Let's get this cable management done on my side first. My side is pretty much done. I need to tape that cable on the left and this cable on the right. Here is the pretty messy organization. We're changing it eventually, so I am not going to zip tie anything down. Let's work on my wife's side. Hers is a little bit neater because she already did a little bit of cable management. Got my wife's side all done and organized. It is still a little messy because we're using the same Ikea under desk cable management wire basket thing. We also have these fancy desks that move up and down, which complicates the cables here. So I will have to figure out what to do with those in the future. But currently it is looking pretty good. Video number 40 done. Hey YouTube, we gotta take care of this mess right here. There's not too much. I didn't do that right.